Simplify.
3 by 4 into 6 by 12 into 8 by 15. One way is obviously to multiply all the numerators together and multiply all the denominators together, and reduce the resulting fraction to the lowest terms. However, let's learn a different way to do it faster. In multiplication of fractions, the numerators and denominators cancel each other out, even if they are not in the same fraction. Let us see how. Let us take a random number from numerator and from denominator, which have common factors. 3 and 12. Dividing by 3, we have 1 and 4. Taking 4 and 8, dividing by 4, we have 1 and 2. Taking 6 and 15, dividing by 3, we have 2 and 5. Taking 2 and 4, dividing by 2, we have 1 and 2. Taking 2 and 2, dividing by 2, we get 1 and 1. Multiplying the numerators together, we get 1. Multiplying denominators together, we get 5. 1 by 5. The answer is 1 by 5.